What's up, Dee Jerett here? We just gonna jump right on into the devastation of the California wildfires. I mean, who would have thought we would be seeing LA County wildfires? Man, it's just so devastated. I'm gonna just go through a few of these clips, man, and y'all check out the devastation, man, and keep LA in y'all prayers, man. But this first clip, man, buddy, I'm gonna just let y'all see it. That's devastating. That right there is just absolutely devastating. I take my chances getting away in the car. I'm not staying in that house. Bro, you gonna end up barbecue. You and that dog. Like, you look like you in a pizza oven, bro. You need to leave. Mm, mm, mm. That's wild. I hope Buddy made it out all right, man. We gonna jump on over to this next clip, man. But I just don't understand, man. Why are you still in this house, though, man? This is absolutely devastating. This about to bankrupt a lot of these insurance companies. Like, it was hard getting insurance. Now California is gonna have to come up with their own insurance company and watch it be through the roof, because no private insurance company is gonna go back in there. Like, all of these houses are super high end houses. I mean, you're talking like billions of dollars. Like, this is gonna put some companies out of business. Man, that KN95 is not gonna do nothing for smoke, bro. It's not. Oof. Man, that's Armageddon. Devastated. This is insane. This is just absolutely insane. Like, if you got people in LA, check on them. And you got Biden doing stupid stuff. He not even, like, he lands and then it's a no-fly zone. They need the airplanes to come in there and drop flame retardant foam on that stuff, man. Like, I honestly, I don't know, man. This might be set up. I don't know what it is. But this is just LA, man. Mm, mm, mm. Wow. Freaking wow. Y'all let me know in the comments, anybody out there in LA County, man, like are y'all all right? Everything, y'all still got like water and stuff out there, man. I know this got to be devastating. We keeping y'all in our prayers for sure, man, because, man, that's just insane. Just all of LA on fire. Man, that's wild. Is this America? This don't even look like the US. This is crazy. Oh my God. Yo. It's still some burning. To lose everything in a house fire is just, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff that you can't replace. Like, look at all of those houses leveled. Man, y'all seen it. Pray for California. Thank y'all for rocking with me.